And Malacanang says it will not stop members of Congress from pushing for charter change. Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valtes says the Solons are free to discuss any issue. She added, however, that there has been no change in the stand of President Aquino on amending the Constitution.
Some have different divergent opinions or at least divergent positions on that particular. Sa amin naman po, as we have always said, hindi naman po nagpapalit pa yung posisyon ng Pangulo on this particular issue. And siguro po, again, yung doon sa question of will it affect the relationship, this is not a new issue that has confronted both sides. Pakita na po natin yan doon sa 15th Congress. Again, hindi po bago yung issue, hindi rin po bagong naihayag sa publiko yung pananaw ng mga players doon sa pinag-uusapan. At nakita naman po natin doon sa relationship in the 15th Congress na marami naman din po doon sa mga sinuportahan ng administrasyon or at least the ones that have been initiated by the administration by way of priority bills ay nabigyan naman po ng kaukulang pansin ng Kongreso.